I'm happy for you guys. Honestly, me happy. Me sure me happy.
Baby, go and listen to cat.
No.
Throw sitting off him, then I run him. Move from sir. Just
Oh God, man.
Oh, me win. That you just say him there.
And go run him.
Oh, look.
But you run him?
I mean, him makes much noise, man. You see him?
Oh God, you know for the pussy.
Him a wet. Him a get wet
In
up.
the other house, the front of the other house, and underneath there's the thing.
But why am I bad?
He may be hungry or sad.
If I hungry, I two away hungry. If I sad inside, I three away sad. Come, baby.
Yeah, me and him sad, no. I don't want to sad out there.
Well, one paint.
Can't find money in your house.
No, somebody can buy me a tin of paint. Me a beg a tin of paint. Somebody can buy me a tin of paint.
I want to paint, I work and buy with paint.
Oh, no, baby. Because somebody said, my house, my shop want paint. Somebody can buy me a tin of paint, please. More don't mind the same price. We just say it right.
And love you so much. Big up yourself, baby. Enough love.
If you not buy the tin of paint for me, just reach out to me. I'm gonna really do good with the tin of paint. Honestly.
So can
I will buy it. How much? I don't know, but you see some of them people who say them gonna buy it, baby. Them just have said that show them in the comment section. But I must say reach out to me. So you know who wanna buy it. Remember you have bought two for me. Yeah, I remember. You know some that buy some black yesterday? Show them all the rain start falling and everything there.
It's not bad.
Guys, whoever I buy the paint, just reach out to me. Inbox, text me. Why I never buy gas yesterday? Why I never buy gas yesterday?
I don't know, I feel like...
You know what I'm saying?
Oh God, no, that's very good. I go to time and spend time on each other. That's it. I would just give up not free that yesterday. People could have get it.
And you deserve better. And you deserve nothing better than this piece of boy here, sir. I wish Brighty, I'm gonna find her and black her. Sam Aiden, all the black there, you're bright and feisty.
No, that one, that's the love.
That's a nice clean piece of boy.
Never tell a lie.
When boy bathe the sugar and water wash off a boy, you come say and you need get DBM Satan. Can come like you come for stir up the Sunday evening.
Rebuke in the name of Jesus. Now, that. I'm telling you, I want KFC. I have KFC and I need to sleep.
You want a filter?
You teach me. Hi honey, hi baby, what's up? Honey, hi baby, what's up? Oh, that good child.
Them all down in a bed. You not in your bed, so in our bed for you.
Rain or fall over the outer world.
You can't never go take up.
I drop me a make.
Favorite, what going?
I drop me a make.
If me if I go to the door to the cat there right now, one big lick me I give him.
Hey bestie, what? Happy Sunday, bestie. smile, you say, hello, Ella, who mute me? And you eat your cook.
Yeah, we do this all alone when I link with Clown. I love this blessed Sunday. Unstoppable, fearless. You know, say it could have been much more better. I know you'd love it. Just say Ray, you see. You see if you know, love it today. What's your favorite dish and why your favorite dish? Now, I'm going to tell you your favorite dish. Cow foot and bean. Tell them my favorite dish.
Bully beef. And
No,
rice.
don't say bully beef.
Aye.
I don't like bully beef.
Corned beef.
Bully sound like bully.
Aye, is it corned beef?
Corned beef.
Corned beef and rice. Yeah, corned beef and rice.
Corned beef.
Mhm.
Maybe you know, say, come here, I forget any live record. Rep. Rep. What's your favorite job? My favorite job is getting a blow job.
What you? Who for mouth na no filter no?
The two of it.
Your mouth na no filter. Na lock off your life.
Me I got edit.
Na lock your
I
life.
got edit. Hey, get away. Yes, sir.
You feel say that pussy bad man.
I got any life. I'm not trying to make him ball out.
Me go run the pussy.
Later,
You
guys.
don't see say the pussy have a bad mind, you know.